So guess what, everybody? Today is this guy's turn. We're gonna go ahead and do a muffler delete today, and I'm gonna take care of this place called Muffler Tech. Go check out and get a quote and see if they can actually work with me, and then depending on the pricing and whatnot, we'll decide if we go forward or not. Let's go. What's up, guys? So today we are at Muffler Tech, and I'm gonna go see if we can do anything to make the E63 louder. So in fact, as I'm doing this video, they're about to move it in right now. See, we're at Muffler Tech right now, and they're about to do that. They're gonna lift it up and see if it's something that can be done today. So today's turn is the E63. So as you can see, it's going in for surgery. So we'll see what happens. I didn't do a before and after, however, so I wish I did that, but this is the first part of the muffler delete project, and we'll see how it goes. They just did the sound check. It doesn't sound too bad really, but I want a little bit more. So this guy has decided to just go ahead and take me in and go ahead with the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that, and hopefully the improvement is so much better. So like I said, this is not planned. This was just happening, and they allow me to just go ahead and take care of the muffler right now. So I am fingers crossed that it's gonna sound way better, so that way I don't have to continue to take things off after the fact. So right now, as you can see, they're working on the car right now, and I think it's gonna sound pretty good. I mean, these guys are really good.
This is music.
Hey you guys, so this is an update. I decided to go ahead and remove the muffler. So I didn't think I was going to do it today, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. So we're going to do a before and after sound check, so that you can have an idea what it sounds like with the mufflers on and then with them off. So this is really happening right now. Honestly, not planned at all, so we'll just go with that. Let's check out the sound real fast. See, there's a lot of people that they don't believe in removing the exhaust, muffler, resonator, or anything like that. They say that, you know, it's noisy and you get droning sound inside the cabin. However, I've never done that myself. I think I've done it to maybe one car, and that was the 300ZX, and it really didn't really make a big difference. It was just maybe a little deeper sound, but it wasn't annoying at all. So with this car, I'm hoping that after all the reviews I've seen online, YouTube, and things like that, people seem to be happy with it. So, well, they're working on it. They're working on it right now. So I'm thinking that the result should be pretty cool. I'm thinking that if it's not loud enough or anything like that, then I just come back and do a resonator delete. So also I was told that I could just put it back. If I decide to sell the car, I can just bring it back and then put it on. So they're bringing it down right now, guys. So let's see what happens. This is the moment of truth here, and see if it was worth it doing this upgrade. So let's see how it sounds. So this is the old exhaust. As you can see, they are out. Man, I cannot believe that this piece is so big just to make the cars not sound loud, right? So I'm gonna put these guys in the meantime. I'm gonna move them and put it right here. I'll find a good place for them later. I decided to keep them just in case I want to put them back, like if I'm ever going to sell the car or whatnot. Yeah, you never know, right? There they are. And you know what I noticed? The car is a little faster. I know you're gonna say how it could be faster. I just feel that the car is more, it's more, I don't know, less air restrictions or something. I step on it and it just goes. I think you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm telling you, it's the truth. So yeah, today is Thursday. Today's Wednesday. I'm thinking, I'm losing my mind.